What is Comp? Compound, DeFi world's central lending and lending platform. One of the basic products of the DeFi sector is lending and borrowing and lending. This is the service that has made Compound's name, a DeFi application that has been interested by many investors since mid-2020 when both Coinbase and Binance agreed to list this token on their exchange. As a listed DeFi project at a fairly high price, around $270, according to data from the Binance exchange, which is 4 times higher than the listed price of AAVE, a similar DeFi project on the Ethereum system. So what is Compound? Join us to find out. What is Compound? Compound is a protocol built on the Ethereum ecosystem, allowing users to access loans without the need for third-party expertise. Compound acts as a currency marketplace, where borrowers and meeting lenders to achieve their own financial goals. However, unlike traditional financial markets, users do not need to sign any agreement or contract. They will work directly with the liquidity pools to borrow money and then pay interest, or send money to receive interest. Although there is no need for third-party due diligence, to avoid a shortage of liquidity, users need to mortgage their assets to borrow money. For example, Mr. A mortgaged USDT to borrow ETH, then used ETH to invest in other DeFi assets. How does Compound work? Simply put, Compound works like a bank, raising capital through deposits and using it to lend. You can use MetaMask wallet to connect to Compound. When you want to deposit assets for interest, your assets will be put into a pool of liquidity and converted to C token, a type of ERC20 token representing the share of capital you have provided to the pool. When you want to borrow money, you will first have to mortgage another type of asset with a value greater than the loan you want to receive. Note that you can only mortgage and borrow on digital assets that Compound supports. In the event your collateral drops in price, the algorithm will automatically sell off a portion of your assets to pay the interest expenses. Loan and loan interest rates will be calculated automatically according to the supply and demand rule of each type of asset. For example, if more than one person deposits USDT in the liquidity pool, the deposit interest rate of USDT will decrease. If many people want to borrow ETH, the interest rate for borrowing ETH is automatically adjusted to increase. Therefore, different types of assets will have different interest rates. The digital assets that Compound supports. Compound currently supports 11 types of digital assets below. It is expected that there will be more asset classes supported by Compound in the future. About token Compound, Comp. What is Comp? Comp token is a governance token that allows investors who hold it to vote on important decisions in the Compound project. One token will correspond to one vote, and the decision will be made by the majority. Common questions raised for voting include: what types of tokens are supported on Compound? Interest rate and mortgage rate for each type of asset. Which blockchain does Compound get data from? So to participate in making important decisions of Compound, you need to own a certain amount of Comp token. The larger the number of tokens, the higher your vote power will be. You can become a supplier for a certain type of asset that Compound supports to mint Comp token, or you can buy Comp token on some exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase Pro, Uniswap, etc. Key metric. To better understand the Comp token, we provide you with the details in the table below. Distribution rate. COMP's maximum total supply is 10 million tokens with the following distribution ratio: 42.3% distributed to Compound user over the past 4 years liquidity mining. 24% is held by shareholders of Compound Labs. 22.25% belongs to the founder and Comp development team for 4 years. 7.75% is distributed to the community to stimulate the community to participate in voting. 3.72% is retained as budget for the talented people joining the Comp development team in the future. Development team. Compound brings together many talented people with extensive experience in technology and digital money. CEO Roba Leshner is a financial analyst, economist and founder of 2 tech startups. CTO Jeffrey Hayes, founder of technology of a startup. He used to be the leader of core services at Postmates. Tori Achiti, application-led, formerly leader of the mobile app development department at Postmates, Kahuna, and Aha Mobile. Calvin Liu, strategy-led, formerly an analyst at Gusto, an advisor to crypto startups at Promontory, and a longtime crypto market investor. Compound benefits and risks. For any project, understanding its benefits and risks can help you make more informed decisions about how to use the services it offers. Below are some of the main benefits and risks that come with the Compound project. Benefit: passive income. Users can receive an interest when staking their digital assets in the Compound system. This is a way to help long-term investors increase their income. Lending services. Many investors use Compound's loan service to increase their leverage. For example, if you have 100 ETH, you can mortgage this 100 ETH to the Compound system to receive a USDT amount calculated at the mortgage rate. Then you use USDT to buy more ETH. If ETH rises enough for you to offset the cost of borrowing, you will be profitable. Bringing DeFi closer to the Bitcoin network. After wrapped BTC was listed on Compound, WBTC became the most top-locked token in terms of total asset value. WBTC is an ERC20 token representing the capital share of investors holding BTC who want to invest in or participate in services in the DeFi field. Risk. Leverage risk. Using your financial leverage wisely can help you achieve higher returns. However, it is a double-edged sword. If your assets fall in value, you will incur a larger loss with additional interest on loans. In the worst-case scenario, your collateral could be liquidated. Therefore, you should be cautious when using this service. Risk of coding errors. Although Compound has been tested by two reputable crypto auditors, trails of Bit and OpenZeppelin, algorithmic errors or security vulnerabilities can happen unexpectedly with any technology platform. This is something that no one wants but will probably encounter, so you should not risk too much money by locking them into smart contracts. Think carefully about your own risk tolerance to come up with the right amount of capital when using financial services from Compound. Compound's potential in the future loan and lending services have always been a core product of the decentralized financial market. Compound is holding the lead for this type of product, but its high mortgage rate has made it less attractive in the eyes of its customers and potentially lagging behind the competition. AAVE is a good example that we can use for comparison. Although AAVE also uses a high mortgage rate, the number of digital assets integrated on AAVE more than doubled on Compound, giving users access to more options. In addition, AAVE also provides customers with the collateral swap feature, which helps to increase customer experience. While the competitor has made new strides in the protocol, Compound seems to be standing still. Investors are looking forward to Compound's cross-chain feature as it plans to integrate with Solana's blockchain. This will be a bright spot for Compound's growth potential in the future. Summary. Hopefully this article has helped everyone better understand the Compound project. Although Compound is currently only trading tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, the project is aiming to expand into a tokenized version of the asset in the real world. If there's anything you don't understand, please send us a question through the comments below. Wishing everyone a successful investment. Has helped everyone better understand the Compound project. Although Compound is currently only trading tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, the project is aiming to expand into a tokenized version of the asset in the real world. If there's anything you don't understand, please send us a question through the comments below. Wishing everyone a successful investment. /the-soa-bot/ only the whitelisted addresses can participate in the second round of Launch Zone IDOs. How to evaluate and give point for the program participants. Participants must join our official Telegram group, https://t.me/bssextalk, as well as on their own Twitter accounts. The points will be collected from participants' activities on Twitter. 2,000 participants with the highest interaction points will get whitelisted to attend Launch Zone IDO. You will need to collect at least 100 points for Twitter to be qualified for our whitelist. The point is only counted if you like plus comment plus retweet our Twitter contents with your good original content. The retweet and comment that have more than 90 characters will gain 1 point, more than 150 characters will gain 2 points. Only those with a Twitter account that is created before Tuesday, December 1, 2020, 0 hours 0 minutes and 0 seconds Greenwich Mean Time plus 0000 and have more than 200 followers are qualified to participate in this program. The result will be reset after each IDO round. Please be aware that we reserve the right to change these terms and conditions at any time without prior notice. In the event that any changes are made, the revised terms and conditions shall be posted on this website and our social media. Please check the latest information posted herein to inform yourself of any changes. Spamming and cheating activities are strictly prohibited. We will remove your account from the BSCX Heroes program if we detect any abnormal activities with your account. All rewards and benefits will be revoked. Please take this program seriously.